So how to update the plugins? Plugins are additional functions, add-ons or plugins here. HANA plugins update or installation. How to install or how to update the plugins here. How to install or update the plugins. Update the HANA add-ons or plugins here. These all are the additional functionalities. These all are the additional functionalities in the HANA system here. Or the additional functionalities here. These are required for HANA databases. Some of the additional functionalities here. But these are the optional. If you have requirement, we can do that one. If you don't have requirement, we no need to install it here, right? But how to update either plugins or add-ons and how to download and everything here. If you go to the service marketplace, here you can go to the software download center here. Here you can see the software download center. So if you go to the alphabetical index, so here H for HANA softwares normally we will download it here, right? So here in the HANA software, you can just go for the HANA platform edition. HANA platform edition for here. In the HANA platform edition, so normally here you can see the platform edition. Here you can see the DB softwares, client, cockpit, database, and AFL. So these are the softwares actually, right? Plugins, softwares. These all are the Spark, AFL, EPM, and runtime error, smart data. These all are the plugins and some additional functionalities here. So most frequently, sometimes they will use the AFL, LC apps are the for most used for the SAP systems, right? So to go to the AFL, AFL means application function library. So we can download which is our HANA database version. Suppose like HANA database version is the 78, right? So you can go to the 78, you can download it, right? So depends upon our database version, we need to download the related the plugin we have to download it here, right? So I have downloaded this one, right? You can see I have downloaded this one. So then we can just click on this one, this R file will be downloaded, right? So once you download the SAR file here, so just this move to
Hello,
the
sir.
this will.
Sorry to interrupt. Sir, what is the additional functionalities in plugins, or is there necessary to update the plugins?
If we already plugins are installed, yes, it's necessary to update the plugins.
Okay,
As part of the your HANA DB upgrade, plugins also we have to upgrade it.
but what are the functionalities in that plugins?
Different functionalities. We cannot say only one specific functionality. Depends. It's kind of application library functions. So which means there are different functionalities. So AFL, LC apps, there are the multiple functionalities here. So if you go to the content information, there are hundreds of things are there here. So if your business is required the AFL, then you can install it. LC apps, so live cache related. If the business is required live cache related things, then you can install the live cache related things, you can install it. So it depends upon the business or system, you can install it. So, but most frequently, AFL and LC apps will be used by this one. Normally, your functional team or development team, when they are developing, so they will come to know this functionality is not available. That time they will ask you to install this AFL add-ons and plugins. They will ask you to install it. So that time we have to do that one. That time we have to use these functionalities to install it. That's what.
Sir, HANA version you said 78, but you have downloaded 79.
No, for upgrade purpose also, I am downloading the 79. So we have to upgrade. We have to discuss about the HANA upgrade also, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what. So safer side in the just to I'm loading the software as well here. But now let's see the plugins here, right? So here plugins are there in the OS level. Download it. Move to the operating system level. Move to the operating system level here. move to the operating system level. You can move to the operating system level. Once you move to the operating system level, so here go to the cd/media. So what is the plugin? 79, right? So the 79, but database version is a 78. So it's mismatching. Let's check. You have the any other plugin which is having the lower version. I think this is the one. Let me check what is the version. Here we have. Oh, here we don't have anything. So this AFL we don't have here. So this is the one. So try to extract it here. If you are using the, so we need to extract it. Let's see here, right? So on top of, so along with the DB upgrade, you can also do the plugins or add-ons update. Or without DB upgrade also, you can perform the this plugins and add-ons upgrade. You can perform it either way. Okay. So but here we see here we have the plugin different version we downloaded. What is the current version we have here? So current version we have the different version we have. This is a different. It's not the AFL as well. It's a different procedure. We don't have any AFL here. This is the AFL SDK AFL. This is not related to the here. So what we are going to install it? We are going to install the AFL here. So we need to extract it here. So if you are doing the with root user, you need to use the ./sar file is required and SAP car-xvf. Then this AFL you have to extract it here. So you have extracted the AFL here, right? If you are using the SAP ADM user extracting, then you don't need to use the ./ directly use the SAP car-xvf. We can use it here. Then go to this AFL, right? So then what we can do, so whenever any file, any AFL software or any add-ons or any software inbuilt, you will get the installation packages, HDB LCM tools. Then use the ./HDB LCM. So then what is the system SID? HDB. In which system SID? So you are going to install the AFL installation on the which system SID. So then this one. Then just choose the system SID. Then installation. So plugin version is not matched with the current server version. Postponing the activation of the plugin until system server is upgraded. So see here. So plugin is the 79, database version 79, but our DB version is the 78 version. So it's mismatching. It's a mismatching. That's the reason the plugins are not installed. So it's a postponed. Activation is postponed here. Does not matching the version. That's why whenever you are doing the DB upgrade, definitely it's a mandatory. Or if you are doing the plugins upgrade DB version, or you are doing the DB upgrade plugins also, you have to do that one. Otherwise, it may create the problems. So this type of problems we create it here. So 78 we are doing, then 78 only you need to download it, right? Or suppose like we are doing the 78, then 78 only we have to download it here. So 78 only we have to download it. 79 you downloaded. When you are doing, you may face the issues. So now what we can do, just only 78 you download it, then move this file to the server level, extract it, and you can do the upgrade. This way it will work. So when you are doing, so we need to, there is a dependency for that one. So you need to, so this file we cannot do the upgrade. Why? Because it's a 79. AFL is the 79 here. This one we cannot perform it here. So we need to use the, and later I will move it. So we need to use the 78 only here. So what I will do, so there is a 79 is getting downloaded, 78 is getting downloaded here. The 78 I am moving to the application server level. I am moving here. So that is the reason. So make sure just exactly related to our database version only, we need to download the related plugins or add-ons. We have to download it. If you download wrong version, this will give you this type of results. Means DB version is different, your plugin version is higher than DB version, then it's giving the does not match the current version. So So what is the current database version? 78, SPS 0778 is the, so we need to download the 78 version only, not the 79, right? That is the one thing here we should know here, right?
Lower version also not compatible then? 76 or 77?
No, it's not compatible. It's mandatory actually. It's not copying. Only downloading, and so make sure correct version is downloaded. That is the main thing here. So suppose if we don't upgrade as part of the DB upgrade, what will happen? So it will not, it will stop working. Means it, the functionalities will stop working here. So plugins and add-ons also we have to plan for upgrade. That is also we have to plan for upgrade of plugins and these versions. So this downloaded. Then immediately I will move this 78 version to this level.
Before installing any pre-steps.
The add-ons and plugins, not much pre-steps, only DB version should be match it. That's fine. But database upgrade or database installation, the OS version or the OS version is the pre-steps, prerequisites that we have to check in before. That is a very important thing here. DB version, DB version upgrade or whatever you are doing, that OS is the OS version, OS plugins are the dependency. For plugins update, database version is the dependency. That is the sequence. So extract and using the, whenever you do the database, if you extract it, the like a folder will be created. Suppose like this folder will be like this folder will be created here. Then we can extract it and we can do the installation. But anything, either plugin root user, then SID, it will be very simple actually. The plugins update is very short. So it's not like that HANA-DB installation will take much time. So it will not take much time. Immediately it will be installed. I think when we are downloading, here you can see the every file when you are downloading, just see the context in. That is the main thing here. It will give you some information about your versions and all those things here. Just to check this context here. So it will give you some information here. Want to information about the versioning and what is the solution, what issues are fixed here. So that kind of things. So it will be, so the application will use these functionalities. Application will use this some plugins. Add-ons and plugins will be used by the application. So that is the purpose. So we have to use this one.
Sir, I said no.
Yeah.
Do we need to take any backups before installing the plugin? Or no?
Nothing backup, we can take it out. But after taking the backup, something wrong again, if you roll back, well, because so these are the binaries are installing. So not the DB application level changes everything here. So definitely if any issues, we have to fix it or we have to uninstall that functionality.
Oh,
But we can take it out. Yeah, server side, we can take the backup. Yeah, that is also fine actually.
okay. Thank you.
But backups will not save any the OS level binaries and everything, right? Backup only DB data will be saved. But snapshot backup, OS backup, that we can take it out. So here,
Okay.
what I'm doing, just actually SAP HDB INST. Then what is the SID? Then here installing the package. So restarting the process, simple. Now it is matching. The database version is matching. So that's why it's installing it's stopping and starting. So sometimes some plugins restart is not required. Some plugins restart is required. So, but here you can see it's restarting. It's stopping. Then here in the installed plugins list, we will get the what is the current plugin which is installed and everything. You will get the information. And see now starting mode. So activation the plugins, checking the old unused first third-party libraries to be cleaned up. Then it is starting here. If any unwanted things, those will be cleaned. And now this starting mode here. It is starting mode. So systemdb is starting here. Now see here, there is a one more separate plugin after the comma. Why? Because already AFL SDK AFL already there. So one more AFL plugin which we installed, that is so already displaying here in the screen, right? AFL. So it's already displaying. So only here, if you see here in this list, we can see it here. So the current plugins, what are the plugins? HANA AFL, right? What is the version? So what is the version? All the information it will be displayed. So how to check? Sometimes they may ask you how to check the your plugins version and everything. So how to install it using the HDB LCM tools with root user. Then how to check the version. Then in the HANA Studio overview tab, you will see the installed plugins. There you can see the AFL version and everything. So that is the one thing here. So it is in starting mode. It's starting mode here. Then refresh it. Then it will show the AFL list and everything. This is the way we have to install the plugins and everything here. Once it is fully installed, fully started, then so we have it will come to the green status here. So now it is starting. This is the SUSE Linux 15 SP05. Hardware manufacturer Microsoft. See, it is come to the fully green here, which means fully started. See, installation is done. Upgrade and installation is done. Right? This is also come to the green status here. See, this is also fully green. So AFL plugin we have here. So which means it got installed. So this is the way we have to do the installation of the plugins or add-ons. So that is the one. Okay. So now HANA installation, sorry, HANA upgrade. So normally as part of the upgrade, HANA upgrade, we can do the plugins upgrade also here. So when you are doing the HANA upgrade, we can upgrade the plugin as well as the HANA DB software also we can upgrade to the, this is 79, and we can also upgrade to the 79, we can do that one. So what I will do, meanwhile I will copy these softwares to the here, and anyhow we have the 79 latest version that I am copying here, so that we will do it tomorrow. Okay. So because this copying taking some time. So once it is done, tomorrow we will do the upgrade, HANA upgrade. Then we will start the backup and the recovery, refresh, and HA configuration, replication modes, so operational modes configurations, all those things we'll discuss. Okay. So if we want to install few more plugins, what I will do, so there is a LC apps. There is a few more plugins. I will download it. EPM. What is that? Yeah. So this one I will download it. So I'm downloading this one. I will keep it there. So you can move to the server level. You can also upgrade it here. Okay. That's how I'm moving.
Hi, sir.